Uuwi siya. Mag-aartista siya.
Sabi niya?
Oo.
Hello, good morning, Wonder OFW. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, guys, I really wanted to share with you, and we need to update it with Nicole Herlyn Bodol. And I know, guys, all of fans with Patlin are very excited for what's really happening right now. And guys, I'm very sorry because it's been for a long time. I think it's more than 2 weeks that I'm not active in YouTube, but right now I'm here sharing with my being a vlogger. And guys, thank you so much for all the subscriber that always there to support me. My really a big fan of all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for undying support to me. Thank you so much for being there to me. And of course, today we're looking forward about Herlyn Hipon Nicole Bodol, and of course we're really excited about about Patrick Bolton, who will be coming soon in the Philippines. I know that you are all excited, guys, for this video, for this vlog, and of course we're really excited about the love team for Patlin. To those people who are undying support for Patlin, thank you so much for being there, and we're all excited. Patrick Bolton are still on the US and processing something that because he are going to the Philippines to work as an actor, and we all excited for that, guys. But before anything else, guys, please to those people who are still not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Just click subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell para always updated kayo for all video that I will upload it. And guys, thank you really from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. So I have flower hair, guys. See, you can see, so nice. Amazing. Guys, I just like make an insert that I love red roses. For me, it's a symbolizing for being a strong person. It's really reflect on you for being a strong personality. Red flower is my favorite color, red and black. But for the flowers, I like red. It's too strong. See, very have a strong personality like me. So guys, to this video, guys, I really wanted to share with you about my thoughts about Nicole Bodol. So I know that there's a lot of basher for Nicole Bodol. Marami pong mga basher dyan na nagbabash ka Nicole Bodol about sa performance siya on last previous competition in Grand International. For me, Nicole Bodol has a lot of things to we proud of it. She's a first runner-up Binibining Pilipinas, and of course a Miss Tourism 2023, and of course she has a lot of achievement that proving that she has it all. And of course for Wilbert Tolentino, thank you so much for the support that you given to Hipon, even that you're not now a manager, but you're still like a father of her. And yeah, yun, maraming nagsasabi na nasaan na si Patrick Bolton, and mayroon din akong nababalitaan na sinasabi na si Patrick Bolton daw nasa Pilipinas na. Wala pa po. Kung nasa Pilipinas na po yan si Patrick Bolton, dapat nakita na sila ni Nicole and ni Hipon. And of course, mayroong mga balita-balita din, may nasasagap din ako kasi syempre maritis din ako pag may time. So may nagsasabi na hindi daw nakapalo si Patrick. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin for today's video, mga ka-Wonder OFW, na ito nga daw si Patrick hindi daw nakafollow kay Nicole sa IG, sa social account ni Hipon. At si Hipon daw todo updated daw sa mga ganap ni Patrick Bolton. For me, guys, it's not about that. It's not about the person are not following you or following, kasi may kanya-kanya tayong comfort zone, may kanya-kanya tayong private private part na sila lang yung nakakaalam. So, walabas na po tayo doon. Kung hindi naman po siya nakapalo sa IG, kasi nga may nagsasabi na baka daw itong si Patrick Bolton, baka daw hindi na matuloy yung love team nila ni Hipon dahil nga daw ni Herlin Hipon, Nicole Bodol dahil nga daw ito nga daw si Patrick Bolton magtatrabaho sa kabila. Hindi na natin, diretsuhin na natin sa ABS-CBN. So, at alam naman din natin na itong si Hipon nasa GMA. For me, it's not about a big deal. It's not about a big yung alam mo yun, yung pader. Kasi nga ngayon wala na, open na sila di ba? Tingnan mo yung It's Showtime nasa nasa GMA7 na, di ba? Tingnan mo yung It Bulaga nasa sa TV5. So, hindi na big deal kung anong bahay mayroon ka. As long as business is business, as long as kumikita, at as malakas yung rating, as long as isa kang sikat, wala pong wala pong balakid dyan, guys. So, kung si Patrick Bolton doon siya magpipirma sa ABS-CBN, so wala pong problema dyan. As long as nagkita sila, they connect each other, so magbablog sila, love team nila, ipagpatuloy nila yung Patlin na love team. Thank you, shout out nga pala sa lahat ng mga Patlin lovers. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for believing me. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. It really means a lot to me. At sorry kung hindi ako nakapag-update sa inyo kasi nga busy-busy yan ang lula mo. At yun, may ma-flower ang lula mo para sa inyo, guys. Kasi nga, we're all excited. Actually, guys, nakapost talaga yan sila dyan sa taas sa TokTok. Ayun, guys, nakita nyo yun? Ayun, nakapost talaga yan silang dalawa, Patlin, di ba? Di ba? Nakita nyo, nakapost talaga yan sila kasi nga I'm a big fan of them. Yung sa Wawawi, di ba? So, may pa-flower din ang for today's video. Guys, thank you so much for all the subscribers that sharing with me and commenting on my comment section. So, wala pa po si Patrick sa Pinas. So, kung nagkakamali ako, sorry naman. Pero, di ba, kung nandito naman talaga si Patrick, talagang mag-ano yan sa social media, di ba? Mababalita sa news na nandiyan na si Patrick. Kasi nga, di ba, well-known sila. They're really talagang napaka nila love din, napaka-unique at talagang bagay talaga sila. So, kung hindi man sila magka-love team sa nila dahil nga sa network yung sinasabi ng iba dyan, so pwede naman silang mag-content, mag-YouTube, makita din naman natin sila. So, di ba, kung yung sa iba dyan ay nasa sad dahil nga balitang-balita na wala daw si Hipon hindi po nakapalo, hindi pinalo ni Patrick Bolton. So, problema na ninyo yan kung paano nyo iaano sa sarili ninyo. Kasi para sa amin, mga Patlin lovers, so, kahit hindi nakapalo si Patrick Bolton, so, mayroon naman silang privacy to connect each other. So, alam ko na magkikita din sila. Alam ko may tamang panahon para magkita sila. And of course, I'm very proud to Hipon because she has a lot of opportunity awaits her. Talagang marami siyang di ba, yung mga sponsor. Thank you so much for undying support for Hipon, for believing Hipon, and sa mga bashers. Sige, bash lang kayo ng bash. And alam kong kumikita naman si Hipon kahit na di ba, natapos na yung niya sa programa niya sa GMA7. So matatapos na yun, and I'm very proud to her kasi she's a very best actress. I see how she act, talagang wow, fantastic. Grabe, napakaganda, yung magandang dilag, wow, so much. Talagang naantig ako sa mga pasabog ni Hipon sa magandang dilag kasi talagang na-embrace niya yung pagiging actress niya, talagang na-develop yung career niya at talagang nahasa siya kasi kasama pa naman niya yung mga batikang actress na sila. Madam, thank you so much for supporting Hipon for this kind of episode. And natatapos na daw yung taping. So, yung magandang dilag talagang mataas yung rating. So, doon pa lang panalo na si Hipon. And of course, marami siyang mga pa-tour, papunta sa di ba? Pumunta na naman siya sa Zamboanga sa festival doon at nandoon na naman si Nicole Bodol. Ang daming talagang humahanga ka Nicole Bodol. So, we're happy for the the journey that she has. And of course, yun na nga daw mga ka-Wonder OFW, matutuloy na nga daw si Nicole Budol. At sinabi rin, explain din ni Nicole Budol na magko-compete siya whether this year or next year. So at least mayroon po tayong kumbaga hope na magpapatuloy siya sa beauty pageant. Of course, ang ganda ng flower ko, parang si Rosalinda. And of course, di ba, sinabi rin naman kasi sinabi rin ni nung ano niya, manager niya, na si Arnold, na talagang magko-compete si Nicole sa international platform. And of course, alam din man natin si Arnold, ihawak niyang Miss World, Miss Grand International. Siyempre may mga connection yan. Talagang ipapasala niya yan si Nicole para mag-compete sa international pageant platform. Whether what kind of organization pageant yan, talagang isasabak niya si Nicole at hindi siya naghindi. Talagang isasabak niya si Nicole. Siya! So, sa mga nanghinaan ng loob sa love team, Patlin love team, huwag tayong magpaghinaan ng loob kasi talagang magkikita rin yung dalawa. Kung hindi man sila makagawa ng teleserya, so makagawa sila ng content na sarili nila sa YouTube nila, kung sa mga platform ng social media nila. So mag-hope na lang tayo doon. Kumbaga, perfect timing na talaga kung magkakaroon sila ng sariling teleserya, and of course mag-connect sila at maisa lang yung station nila, or kung hindi man mag-isa, kung yung totoo nga yung kung totoo man yung haka na kapamilya si Patrick Bolton, tapos si Kapuso, si Hipon, so talagang magkikita pa rin sila ni Herlin, magtatamdim pa rin yung Patlin, matutuloy din yan, di ba? At yun na nga, sinabi na nga, di ba, nung kasama ni Patrick Bolton na yun, magre-resign na siya bilang Navy at mag-a-artista na siya. So, ganun yun guys, kung ano yung nasa puso mo, sundin mo. Di ba? Ganun yun mga ka-Wonder OFW sa ating pang-araw-araw. Kung ano yung nasa puso mo, sundin mo. Kung ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo, sundin mo. Dahil hindi mo hawak yung buhay mo. Dapat habang buhay ka, if we follow your heart, be who you are, be authentic. Authentic talaga, like me, authentic of flower. Red is my favorite color. So, yun lang mga ka-Wonder OFW. Hintayin na lang natin yung pagdating ni Patrick Bolton kasi malalaman din naman talaga natin. Hindi yan masisikret na nandiyan sa Candace Pinas. Malalaman natin kung magpapatuloy ba ang Patlin love team. And of course, for me, 110% na alam kong ipagpatuloy nila yan, at alam kong kung hindi man sila magkaroon ng teleserya, ma-share nila yung kumbaga, love team sa kanilang social platform, sa kanilang social media account. So we're hoping for that, and we're happy about the progress for hoping to have love team Patlin. And of course, for those people who are really believing na magtuloy nga yung Patlin love team, so walang tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Talagang may matutuloy yan. Of course, hindi yun balakid. Ulit-ulitin ko na naman mga ka-Wonder OFW na hindi yun balakid kung anong social, kung anong sila network mailagay. As long as they have connect each other, meron silang communication, so magtutuloy talaga yan mga ka-Wonder OFW. And of course, I'm believing na magtutuloy yan. And of course, di ba, nung in-interview si Hipon, sinabi na niya na open yung pintuan niya dahil nga single siya. And of course, yung mga kalabdim niya may mga asawa na, so syempre doon siya sa single, katulad ni Patrick Bolton. And of course, Patrick Bolton deserve to have that kind of lady na talagang, di ba, iba yung chemistry nila pagdating sa love scene, di ba? Pagdating sa pagbibigyan sila ng if the network giving them a chance, so talagang magkiklik itong dalawang Patlin lovers. And of course, mayroon na rin namang pundasyon yung mga fans nila, yung mga Patlin lovers na nandyan na talagang they're not losing hope. So kailangan talaga matuloy ito. And of course, we're really excited for that. that. And sana nga dumating na si Patrick Bolton sa Pinas, and of course makita sila ni Hipon. And of course, di ba, ang tambalan nila sa Wawawin talagang nag-click yun, di ba? Talagang pauso sa sayo-sayo pa si Hipon, di ba? Ang dami pa nilang mga challenge sa buhay. May mga parang pa-date pa sila, di ba? So, sana magtuloy at sana wag natin silang kumbaga, sana nandyan pa rin kayo mga Patlin lovers, mga Patlin Team Lab. Sana nandyan pa rin kayo susuporta sa kanila, and of course, suportahan natin sila. And of course, kung saan man mapunta si Patrick Bolton, maibisibin man siya o makapuso, and of course, alam din naman natin na si Hipon ay nasa Kapuso, sana they're still connected each other. And of course, ang natutuwa lang ako kasi nga napakasimple itong babaeng ito, si Hipon. Talagang kahit binabash na siya, nandyan pa rin siya tumatayo, which is yun yung gusto kong personality, na magiging strong ka lang sa buhay. And of course, kahit i-bash nila yan si Hipon, ay marami ng achievement yan sa buhay. Diyos ko, ilang mga sponsor yung nakuha niya, yung pagka Miss Tourism 2023, whether kung hindi man siya makakompete sa international pageant platform, talagang wagi na siya sa puso natin, talagang wagi na siya sa mga sponsor niya, sa dami ng sponsor niya. And of course, sa break niya sa GMA7 sa Magandang Dilag, diba, talagang humahanga ako sa paaktingan ni Nicole Bodol. And of course, sa mga kasama niyang mga batikan, sa mga mami-mami siya na nandyan na tumulong kay Nicole Bodol, Hipon. So, thank you so much, Mother Lily. Thank you so much, mga mother. And of course, thank you for watching Magandang Dilag. Talagang nag-click sila at talagang maganda yung actingan ni Hipon. And of course, hoping na sana nga makapunta na nga dito si Patrick Bolton and matuloy yung love team nila. And of course, sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa akin, ito lang, salamat, maraming salamat, maraming salamat sa nagtitiwala, who believing my own way of vlogging. And of course, for me as a vlogger, I just wanted to spread love, kindness, and of course, respect it in each individual, because we have feelings, we hurt, we love, and we deserve to be loved. Asha! So, for me, just love yourself and enjoy the moment that you're still alive, and, spreading kindness. Kasi nga, yun talaga ang isang parang advocacy sa buhay, na magiging masaya ka na lang sa pang-araw-araw at magiging masaya kung kumbaga, contented ka kung anong mayroon ka, as long as you work hard to be who you are and you work hard for those achievements that you have right now. So that's a big impact to anybody. And of course, guys, to those love team lovers for Patlin, we're just like hoping and praying that sana, I hope that it will be happen, and sana magtuloy-tuloy, at sana pumunta na dito si Patrick Bolton sa Pinas and magkita na sila ni Nicole Bodol. Talagang mag-click yan, guys. Talagang kakaabang-abangan natin yan. And of course, don't be worried about why Patrick Bolton doesn't follow in IG ni Nicole Bodol. So it's not a big deal. If Nicole Bodol following for Patrick Bolton, that's a big good. It will really, in each person have a private zone. So, hayaan natin sila sa mga bagay na yun, as long as hindi sila nagsalita na wala silang pagmamahal sa isa't isa. So, we're just hoping, di ba? Yun lang yun eh. Yung, kumbaga, sa bawat tao sa mundo, may kanya-kanyang private zone sila. So, hayaan natin silang i-keep yan. Kung hindi naman nag-follow si Patrick Bolton, I think there's a reason behind that. But, sana, yun na nga, magtuloy-tuloy yung love team nila, kasi naumpisa nila yun at ang daming humanga at ang daming talagang fans na talagang push them to have a love team. So for me, it's a big impact for anyone. So that's all for today, mga ka-Wonder OFWs. So those people who are still not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel, just click subscribe, and I love you all, guys. Spread love lang tayo, ang kainis. And to those people who are an OFW like me, this is my, a small piece of advice, that just believe your partner, and of course, respect your partner, and share time, even that you are so busy in your work, just keep a small time with your partner. And to those all people, OFW, long distance relationship, listen first your partner. Do not listen to someone that like, Marvite is like saying bad against your partner. You must to be look and check what is happening. Huwag yung padalos-dalos ka. And of course, trust to each other, respect to each other, and of course, have a communication to each other to maintain your, purity of love, strong relationship that you have. And of course, sa mga OFW dyan na may asawa na, asawa talaga. So may mga asawa na dyan, be contented and focus on what you really do in abroad, di ba? Napakahirap mag-abroad, guys. Napakahirap kumita ng pera. Napakahirap, naku, Diyos ko. And of course, di ba, ang dami talagang broken family. Hindi ko naman nila lahat, pero talagang may nangyayaring ganun. May maraming mga ka-OFW natin, hindi ko nila lahat na pagdating sa abroad, single na. Pero para sa akin, isiping mabuti kung nakakabuti ba talaga sa'yo yun. Naku, yung mga kahit konting pagtingin, yung mga isang linggong pag-ibig, guys, huwag na nating ituloy. Focus na lang tayo sa pamilya natin. Huwag tayong piling dalaga, piling binata. Ako lang may karapatan dahil binatag na ako. Batak na ako. Hindi. So, maging positive na lang tayo. And of course, yun nga sinasabi ko na mahalin ang pamilya. At of course, mahalin ang asawa, mahalin ang husband. And kung talagang hindi na kaya ma-fix, so, di ba, wala na tayong magagawa ulit. Go, but as long as you can fix, as long as there's a small love, kailangan pang i-progress yan, besh. Kailangan pa nating ilaban yan. So, yan lang mga ka-OFW dahil ako ay isang, isang OFW. So, Wonder OFW yung pinangalan, yung sinasabi kasi nga, it's so nice to hear the Wonder OFW. So happy ako and enjoy lang tayo mga ka-Wonder OFW. Spread love lang tayo, parang bulaklak mo. Diba? Sure. So, that's all for today. Please subscribe!